Expert PC, we specialize in computer repair and customization. Our experienced technicians can fix various issues like broken screens, virus and malware infections, overheating, sluggish performance, and hardware failures. If you're experiencing issues with your laptop or all-in-one system, we can help. From broken screens to charging problems, our technicians can diagnose and repair a variety of problems. Broken phone screens or tablets? We offer repairs for iPhones and Android phones. Our team can fix damaged screens, tackle virus infections, resolve charging problems, and more. We also repair video game consoles and specialize in repairing and building custom gaming desktop computers. Expert PC, your local computer, electronics, and mobile device specialist in Elizabeth City. Located at 420 North Hughes Blvd, Suite B, Elizabeth City.